Vaccine availability was a huge issue in the beginning.
But now that a few weeks have passed, things have become much easier for county health departments. Fox 13's Diego Romo is in Provo this afternoon to see how Utah County's COVID-19 call center is helping to ensure that everyone who wants a vaccine can get one. Diego.
Yeah, Bob, back in January, Utah County COVID vaccination appointments were filling up in a matter of minutes. Workers here at the county's COVID-19 call center say that since then, demand has remained steady. But with the additional staff as well as more vaccine supply, the need for appointments has been met. And things are going much smoother this time around than they were just a few weeks ago.
Okay, and this was Pfizer?
We no longer have our appointments booking up in minutes. It's now taking maybe a day or two or a little bit longer. You know, we've kind of moved along, we've evolved a little bit, but we are seeing, some good awareness and things spreading out a little bit throughout the state.
On average, workers at the county's call center answer 500 calls per day.
You as well. Have a good day.
Calls since it opened up in March of last year, with almost 18,000 coming since appointments began in January.
We have our call center staffed with 10 people to answer phones, and they go in and out of the queue. And so if we have appointments that we can schedule people in at that time, we will. If not, we provide resources and tell them how they can find our appointments in the future.
Call center lead Carrie Bennett says vaccine supply was the key impact on appointment availability back in January.
In the beginning, we had that shortage of vaccine. We didn't have enough, so we were limited on opening appointments, and it caused a lot of chaos.
Utah County opened up a new vaccination site in American Fork today. With the increased supply, the county hopes to inoculate 5,000 people per day between their 3 locations.
Ultimately, we are looking at trying to be able to do 25,000 a week, and that does include both first and second doses.
The county began scheduling appointments for Utahns 50 and older starting last Thursday. Bennett says as younger people become eligible for their first dose, the demand on the call center has begun to flatten out.
We noticed as the other groups are starting to open, many more tech-savvy people. The appointments are, we're not having a problem filling them up, and we're getting less calls of needing technical assistance to schedule.
She says the addition of appointment text message alerts has also really helped lighten the load.
The text message has been a lifesaver because it not only it tells people like when those appointments are going to open. So go to your computer at 7 p.m. tonight, and those slots will open. And so yeah, they don't have to sit and monitor the computer all day. They know exactly when they're going to open, and it's been very helpful.
A reminder that Utahns can go to any county in the state to get their vaccine, but you do need to return to the same location for your second dose. And we'll link you over to Utah County's text message alert system over at fox13now.com. Live in Provo, Diego Romo, Fox 13 News, Utah.